A large number of internally displaced persons, IDPs, staged a sit-in at Kangla Gate today, declaring that they will not return to their relief camps unless they are resettled in their original homes starting immediately. After the sit-in, the IDPs took out a rally along BT Road and proceeded towards Uripokachom Laikai, where they later gathered at the local community hall. Speaking to media persons, Irom Abung, an IDP from Churachandpur, condemned the administration for organizing Sangai Festival while thousands of displaced people continue to suffer in relief camps for nearly 3 years. He said that hosting the festival suggests a return to normalcy, and if so, the government must take steps to send IDPs back to their homes. He pointed out that the large crowd at the Sangai Music Festival yesterday reflects a normal situation in the state, and therefore displaced persons will begin returning to their homes from December. He added that the IDPs have lost trust in the administration's resettlement plans and for that reason will not go back to the relief camps.
Project Santi Lere na koi Sangai Festival de pangtho e haraga maina sum Santi lebe mangge na koi gi IDP singi thabak throm na thawarak ta bum to ba hauji koi isai yum da changalani ya bam pham da haraga su huji bakse paisa kapsa lerga yum saba change ya da ba ado huji anak pada leriba yum sing se koi gi changnani haibe torbung bangla gumba golai thabi gumba change haraga da yarak da ba ana hariba periphery area da leriba koi pham sing bak cham ya da ga koi Kangkopi Churachandpur amdi more se kram kan da to doi no haiba koi wakhal da ching da bom pok lai da ana sarkari koi ba mai kai da gi resettlement के प्रोग्राम में सब चाना कोई था मम्मी ता हन्ना पे सब कोई तो नुंगांग में पोकना संगाई फेस्टिवल तो रिबा से कोई शांति लेतना शांति लेबा मालाला तो बस कोई यानिंग दे ना कोई थोर पनि अन ngasi तो रिबा खोंजंग से कोई सुमदा की संगाई फेस्टिवल यानिंग दे हाबन तना आई कोई युम दा हंजलन रिबा कोई रिलीफ कैंप दा हलरो है बो हम दा कोई ngasi थोक्सर पनि थमजे ngasi मफम दा सका ना या पिद्रे कोई एक कोना याबो मफम दा कोई अहिंग या एकतना कोई इसा युम दा हंजलन रिबा कोई लेने ना कोई असम लेम जरे आइतारे
Kana Iran Fari Harabin and a Koyum the Yum the Tindu, I forget them with the Koy Panjamana, Queen of the Lives, Homes in Jelaka, Queen of the Land Jelagala is it. Sakana Sangai Festival, though with the Iran Fari Island, Rabanin, a Koyum the Hanzara, but the way after. Sakana, though we leave a Moons Koyam, the Noiser, the Kanti Lena, Sangai Festival, or around the Skumala, say to Uraga, the Yamba, Pasamam, the Tazaraga Koyuna. Yellow, but don't allow smile labels going wise at the end of the Santi Later, but then a Koyum the Hanjin view, have a